Masala Puri or Masala Puri is a popular Indian snack said to be originated from Karnataka. Today I am gonna show you how to make this Bangalore style Masala Puri. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Let's get started. For this recipe we need a cup of peas. You can either use fresh green peas or dried white or green peas. If you are using dried peas, soak it overnight before making the Masala Puri. Now add the peas and one chopped potato to a pressure cooker. To that add in 2 cups of water. Since I am using fresh peas, I am pressure cooking it for 2 whistles. If you are using dried peas, cook it for 4 whistles. Allow the pressure to release on its own. Meanwhile, take 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 carrot, 1 green chilli, half a cup of coriander and about 10 mint leaves. Now finely chop the onion and tomato. Now set half of this aside, add carrot and finely chop it as well. Now heat up a pan, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add in half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once they begin to crackle, add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw aroma of ginger garlic paste goes off. It will take a minute or two. To this we can add finely chopped onion and tomato which we have set aside earlier. To that add in 1 green chilli and saute till the onions and tomatoes are soft and well cooked. Season it with salt, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and a teaspoon of Garam masala. Saute till the raw aroma of the spices goes off. Now turn off the flame and let it come to room temperature. To this, add in 2 cubes of pressure cooked potatoes and 2 ladles of green peas. Let it come to room temperature. Meanwhile, we'll mash the peas and potatoes. Once it reaches room temperature, transfer the contents of the pan to a mixer jar. To this, add in half of the coriander leaves which we have chopped earlier and all the mint leaves, 1 dates, quarter teaspoon of tamarind paste, 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Now grind this to a smooth paste. Heat up the same pan and add in the ground paste and the mashed peas and potatoes. Check for salt and add more if required. Also if required, add more water to adjust the consistency. Here the consistency is perfect, but I am going to add a little bit more of salt. After cooking it for 5 more minutes, season it with quarter teaspoon of pepper powder and a teaspoon of chaat masala and turn off the flame. Now we'll start assembling the masala puris. You can get the puris from local pani puri shops or supermarkets. Crush it with your hands and pour in the masala over the top of the puris. Be generous with the masalas. Also, do not cover the puris completely. Leave some areas outwards for a good texture. Garnish with the onions, tomatoes and carrots which we have set aside earlier. Top it up with some coriander leaves and some save. Serve and enjoy. Hope you found this video useful. Do try this recipe and share in your feedback in the comments. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.